Hey, how is it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this awesome monitor racer that has so many things. So first of all, what do I like the most of this thing? For sure, I'm a gamer, so you know, RGB lights. Yeah, so that's what it's calling, the more FPS with the more RGB lights. So I like them very much. I think this looks really, really cool. And you have many modes that you can change with this button right here. So the other thing I like is also can work as a monitor riser or a laptop riser. This is for a monitor risers. And I have to say, so this is a 24-inch monitor right here. As you can see, 24-inch monitor, and it fits perfectly. It fits really, really nice. Again, 24-inch. So I believe, based on what I tested, that this is meant to be for up to 27 inches monitor. Comfortably 27 inches. I have two 32. My wife have two 27, and I have that extra 24. I tested it with the 24 and the 27, and it's okay. But with the 32, yeah, I won't do a 32 on this surface, on this platform. So right now, right here, it's connected to the USB connector right here on the back, and it has four extra USB ports that you can connect. Like they say that we're connecting this to a laptop or your computer, you can use those as extra connectors as well. And then really, really nice, it has this drawer right here where you can put sticky notes, clips, pens. You can put many things. I really like this one, but the one that I like the most for sure is this one right here. So you can see that I can put my cell phone if I want, just like that, in landscape mode, or I can put it right here as a portrait mode as well. So I like that very much. I think it's really cool for kind of like multitasking. But yeah, for sure, I like this monitor racer because, as I was saying before, it looks really cool with the RGB lights and how cool it looks with your monitor. I think it's awesome. I like it. I do recommend it as a gamer for sure. More RGB lights means more FPS. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.